So we have a little tradition here that in the middle to late afternoon, you've had your lunch, you're kind of trying to digest, the lectures have worn on, your eyes are starting to get a little drowsy. We give you a little pickup. So this is the 7th inning stretch, a little bit of yoga to revivify you, and we're going to begin today with Audi Gozlan, who has been with us in the past. Come on out, Audi. But for this shift that we had to do in terms of the content of the speakers, Audi would have appeared during that pod of speakers who were touching on religious themes. Audi Gozlan.
Shalom. My name is Audi Gozlan, and I am the founder of Kabalah Yoga. Did you enjoy this video? That was me tapping into the energy of our dear host, Moses, by shaping into the Hebrew letters that spells his name. Kabalah Yoga is about searching inward, discovering yourself from the inside out. It is reaching deeply into yourself. Kabalah in Hebrew means to receive and refers to our ability to be receivers of light. Yoga is union and is about the deep connection that we can create between the mind, the heart, and the body. Kabalah Yoga is about creating the body into a temple where divine fire can be internalized and be revealed in the greatest way possible. Kabalah teaches us that the world was created through the ancient Hebrew letters. The Hebrew letters are said to be the hidden codes behind the existence of everything in heaven and on earth. The Hebrew letters, by combining them into words and ideas, created everything that we have in this world. Kabalah reveals to us that your name is special. The Hebrew letters that spell your name are the hidden codes to unlocking the mystery of your soul. Your soul is your vitality. It is your energy, the very reason why we exist. Because when the soul is revealed, the body becomes open. And when the body is open, then the heart is warm. And when the heart is warm, then every thought we think, every word we say, and everything that we do becomes affected by this warmth. Your name symbolizes your idea in this world. It is your character, your personality. And the deeper you reach into yourself, into your name, the more you will realize what a great temple you are, what a great fire exists inside of you to be illuminated, to be ignited, and to shine in this world. I remember the first time that I discovered the postures of my name. The feeling was awesome to be able to move my body in a way that was personal and original just to me. So I encourage you to discover this temple, to discover the flame, to look into your name and find the characteristics, the personality that symbolizes who you are. Please join me. Let's stand up from our chairs. Bring your feet. Let's put up the volume. Oh, I'm just extending my arm, saying hi to Darian. Establish a foundation to it and just start to release your body from left to right. Follow me, left to right. I'm going to get you to do a handstand soon. Let's extend the arms up to the sky. Exhale to the earth. Inhale high. Exhale. Inhale high. And exhale. Bring your hands high. Touch your mind. Create an intention to this very moment we are together. Into your heart. Allow your heart to blossom. Let's start to ignite the flame inside, opening out to the sides. Inhale, And exhale one more time. And on the next one, repeat after me. Shalom. Inhale, high. Exhale, the left arm to the side. The right arm extending over, becoming like the shape of the moon, a reflection of light. Exhale, inhale, other side. Exhale, bring your hands together and let's face the right side together as we extend our leg behind us. Arms to the earth. Yeah, we're gonna bump into each other. It's all good. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Feel your body as a temple. Exhale, down. Inhale, high. Exhale, down. Inhale, up to the sky. Now, let's face each other. Bring your hands into your heart. Start to come into a squat, lower down. You know the song, How Low Can You Go? How low. Extend your arms out to the sides. Exhale into your heart. Just make sure you don't hit anyone on their face. Exhale into your heart. Out. Let's move to the other side, extending the arms high. Exhale, low. Inhale, open the temple. Exhale, down. Inhale, high. Let's meet up in the center. Coming into what we call the goddess pose. So feel like a god or a goddess, a divine being inside. Let's extend the right arm forward, the left arm behind you, bending your right knee. Inhale, extend your arm over your head. Exhale, touch your knee and extend out. Inhale, high. Exhale, out. Inhale, high. Exhale, extending out. Let's move to the other side. Inhale, left arm high. Exhale, extend out. Inhale, up to the sky. Exhale, out, forward. Inhale, opening into the Aleph, symbol of oneness. Let's bring our feet together, extending high to the sky. And exhale, reach for the earth and clasping your fingers behind you if you can. Let's do it. Straightening the legs, extending the arms. Yes, this is funny. Let's bend our knees. This is laughing yoga, up to the sky. Exhale, clasp your fingers, extend high. Bend your knees, touch the sky. Bring your hands into your heart, walk your foot, so coming into a wide stretch, bending the knees, extending your right arm up to the sky. Really stretch until you touch your friend's head. Other side. Exhale again, up to the sky. One more time. Exhale, coming to the center. So this is the point where you flow like a flame. This is free flow. Start to open up. Yes, freeing the energy inside. Bend your knees until it kind of hurts on the thighs. Feeling the depth. Should I go faster? Extend out, exhale. Let's fold so you can lean onto your chair or on the earth. Lengthen your spine. Inhale out, exhale, fold. Inhale up. Bring the left hand to the earth, the right hand to the sky. Exhale. Switch sides up to the sky. Exhale to the earth. Inhale, bending your knees. Opening up. Now, let's move the energy. That's it. Freedom. Liberate the energy. The divine fire inside. Yes. Let's move out to the side, clasping your fingers behind you. Open your heart. Now exhale, fold, planting the energy. Inhale, lift yourself up, extend your arms behind your head, open your heart to the sky. Exhale to the center and extending and moving with grace, with life, distilling this most magnificent light inside of you. Yes. We've been sitting all day. We need to move, right? Extending out to the back, clasping your fingers, opening your heart. Exhale down. Inhale, lifting yourself up. Bring your hands together, moving forward, extending to the sky. Exhale, moving to the right, feeling like a moon shining with this divine light. Releasing the right arm, extending the left. Exhaling, other side. Inhaling, bring your hands together. And let's pivot the left foot, pointing, extending out to the sky. Exhale to the earth. Inhale, up. Exhale, earth. High. Exhale, earth. Inhale, high. Let's move to the back. One more time. Exhale to the sky. Now bring your hands to your heart and let's come into sitting. I would spend an hour, but I think we got a lot of talks to do. So let's just come into a sitting pose. Yeah, not on each other, but on the chairs. Yeah. Sitting in a comfortable pose. Letting go, releasing. Let your hips melt down to the earth, lengthening your spine, softening your shoulders, your mind focused on your breath. And bring your hands into your heart. And I invite you to think about the energy inside, the beauty that you've been gifted with. I would like for us to open our arms and to finish our practice with a very powerful hallelujah. Can we do it? Inhale high. Powerful. Hallelujah. That's beautiful. One more time. Inhale. Hallelujah. One more for the entire world to hear. Inhale. Hallelujah. Thank you. I wish you only beauty, only warmth, eternal wisdom, everything you do. Thank you.
Thank you for your beautiful invention.